How are you guys doing? My name is Bayu Prakarsa. Just recently joined the Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty.
My name's May Perez, and we are here supporting today Paul Cheng.
Hey guys, my name is Albert Napitipulu, and I just joined Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty.
Tonight we're at the San Gabriel Chamber of Commerce, trying to support our in-house lawyer Paul Cheng to be part of the board members for the Commerce. This is one of the things that we do just besides selling homes. We are participating in our community, trying to contribute, volunteer our time, and trying to better ourselves.
I am very excited. This is a completely new, different thing. Every day is a new journey, and thank you.
Service Award, and it was named after Rudy Kusuma because he talks a lot about second mile service. However, my concern was that a lot of you know Rudy, you think you know Rudy, but if you're going to have an award named after you, and he does have one now named after him, the Rudy L. Kusuma Second Mile Service Award, I had his permission, by the way, to do that. But you don't know about the man, you don't understand why I would name an award after him. Some of you have no idea why I have the affection I do for Rudy, the respect I have for him, what I feel about Rudy the way I do. And so what we've done is Siren Arts Productions has done a little video about Rudy, because if we're going to name an award after him, I'd like you to know a little bit about the man that is a dear friend of our chamber and one of our biggest sponsors, and that is Rudy Kusuma. So if we could show the video, please.
When I was in elementary school, I was fascinated about lights, and I was like, make money, because I heard the grown-ups talking about making money. And then I was like, whoa, okay, so I just melt the coins and just start making money. My parents told me, well, that's illegal. So that's when I stopped doing it. I was born in the island of Java in Indonesia in 1980. My dad was a high-paid employee. He works for an electronic company, a Japanese company. My mom was an office assistant. When I was in high school, my dad lost his job, but my mom always saved money. So since growing up, she always told me the same thing. Education is the most important thing. So she saved enough money to send me and my siblings, basically there are four of us, to go for a better education. We were born in Indonesia, and then we went to high school in Singapore, and then later on, my parents sent us to college here in Los Angeles. I want to be an astronaut. The reason I was fascinated with astronomy, I went to college, my major was physics, mathematics, and astronomy, is because I feel like there gotta be a bigger purpose other than doing something that you don't like every single day for the rest of your life. I went to Santa Monica College, I went to University of Wisconsin, and I fell in love, right? So that's when I changed my major, because I was like, I want to graduate. What's the fastest way to graduate from university so I can get out of Wisconsin and back to Los Angeles with my girlfriend back then? So I get accepted to do a graduate school at the California State University, Los Angeles. Someone gave me a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. When I finished reading that book, it completely changed my paradigm. The way I look at money, the way I look at business, the way I look at about serving other people. First thing I did, I called Cal State LA and basically I withdrew. I was on a full scholarship, and I started selling door to door, and I started selling stuff on Swap Meet. I started selling candles, I started selling photo albums. Everybody thought I just went crazy. My girlfriend back then looking at me, she left me. I went back to Indonesia, I got some candles, and my mom looking at me, and she started like crying. So now I'm crying. No, because she started crying, because she was like, hey, what's going on? Because he was like, oh wow, I'm saving all the money for you to go to school, right? And then why you drop out of school? And then I told her that no, it's not about money. I want to learn on how to influence and persuade people. I want to learn the number one skill in life, which is sales. Okay, now time out. Okay, hold on. Okay, quick. Okay, now we're back again. So I told her, I want to be in business. I just don't know how. I grew up in a family that the topic of business and money was taboo. It's like the greedy rich people. When I jumped into real estate, I married my high school sweetheart. I have my first son, and I remember when my second son born, I worked 7 days a week, 15, 20 hours a day, and at the end of the day, we have no result. We have no money that I have to actually send my son, go back to Indonesia and have my mom take care of the baby. I love my wife, I love my boys so much that I have to figure out how can I develop a system that I have the time and the money to bring my kids back home here so together our family can grow and together we can serve more people. This is 2007, so the whole industry collapsed in 2008. Everybody was quitting the business. I approached the real estate agent who have no business, and then I asked them, hey, what if we partner up? I saw there is a need, and accidentally I stumbled upon this thing, the cash flow game, to attract the buyers to come in, and then the steps start to grow from that. I'm looking at my company as a university to teach practical lessons for young people to serve other people, and money is just a certificate of appreciation for a job well done. Congratulations. Okay. I partner up with an organization called World Harvest. If you want to change a person, if you want to change a family, if you want to change a community, the only way, the best way to do it is through education. Back home in Indonesia, we managed to build medical clinics. We can help many people. Children's Hospital means a lot for me because they accept anybody with or without insurance. And today, I'm so proud to share that every single team members actually in our company now, they take a portion of their income to serve our community here. My name is Rudy Kusuma, the CEO of Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. If you understand that your business is not about you, you are here to serve the people around you, then together, believe it or not, together we can actually make a positive impact in the world. We can actually change the world.
I'd like to introduce the man who's going to be, we're going to name the next award after. So Rudy Kusuma, would you please come up? Paul? We sort of tricked Rudy because he thinks he's only here to help us present the Second Mile Service Award, but actually.
If you haven't listened to Rudy speak, that video doesn't even do it justice. He's going to be speaking at our next function, which is what again?
The networking breakfast. The networking breakfast on Friday, June 28th.
So our networking breakfast is entirely free. And it's free because of sponsors that we have. And I'm telling you, I've gone to Tony Robbins, I've gone to many different people, and he's the most exciting speaker I've ever heard. And so you have to go to 100 people to go. Oh, I'm sorry, let's do this. Okay. Inspiration, Rudy Kusuma, Inspiration and Leadership Award. We want to present this to you because when I first met you, we met in a parking lot, and he told me that it was going to change the world. Now he has hundreds of agents and generating lots of income and blessing so many people around the world and making his agents do the same, which I think is incredible. So thank you so much for just giving us the inspiration.
Thank you. Okay, now before we do the installation,
Now, he is one of my largest clients in my firm. He's huge, and he's everywhere. And it's really through having a vision and believing and just speaking out, speaking truth into the universe. That is how we're going to help you improve. So I really encourage you, for those of you that are not part of the chamber, come and listen to Rudy next Friday. You are going to be so blessed.
Hi guys, this is Bayu Prakarsa again. I just want to introduce you to my team leader, Ray Chan. What do you think about this event, Ray?
Oh, this event is terrific. So we're being the business member in the community. We provide a lot of service to the people here. And today we're here to support the community on this event. And so I'm very happy to be here.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, my name is May Perez, and this is my team leader, Alfred Loya.
Hello everyone, my name is Alfred Loya from Team Alfred. We're excited to be here. We'd love to be here celebrating Paul Cheng's new position here at the Chamber of Commerce.
You are now installed and accomplished the Chamber's mission as a unified board. Congratulations, and know that we're all here to support you.